email extractor software 2021. Welcome everyone. You can see on the screen that I'm extracting emails live for you. You can see the results out here. I've been asked by my subscriber and my friends which is the best email extractor software, and I've been always telling them that the best one is the one which you can see on the screen right here. Okay, you can see out here the screen. I just want to make this video live because I want you guys to know that this software works flawlessly. Okay, so in this example I'm extracting email from Instagram. Okay, so I had many questions being asked, like does this software supports Instagram or not. Okay, so there are lots and lots of issues happening on different email extractors, but this is not the case. Okay, this email extractor works perfectly, and today I'm just going to show you the today's date. It's Thursday, May 13, 2021 here in the USA, and you can see that this software is extracting emails. Okay, so I just went and inserted the Instagram account from the Ariana Grande from, and I'm extracting emails from Austria. Okay, you can choose the country, whichever country you want. There are lots and lots of countries. You may want email addresses of a certain country. Okay, so I'm targeting a user based on Austria, so I'm just extracting emails. So it's been a while. I've just started the extraction process. It's really easy. Okay, you just have to insert the Instagram username out here and the country, and you can extract emails. Okay, so now this software is very awesome. Why? Because you can also extract email addresses from Facebook fan pages and groups. Okay, so I made lots of video on that. If you want, you can check my previous videos, but today for this example, for the sake of you guys, for the sake of letting you know that this software is working as of today, and this software works flawlessly. I'm just extracting emails, so I just went and started the software to see if it really works or not. So we'll see in a while, because you can see only the results and numbers out here. Will extract those emails shortly. Okay, so meanwhile, if you do not know how to make money using this software, keep watching this video, because today I'll show you a method which can make you money. Okay, so you have to extract emails of targeted people. That means we are targeting people from Austria who follows this. Okay, so maybe we can find some maybe you have a product related to music, or maybe a product the general product. Okay, so let's say everybody wants to make money, right? You want to make money, I want to make money, he wants to make money, she wants to make money, everybody wants to make money. So you can just go and find products related to making money online. Okay, so if you already have an ebook, if you have skills to make product, that's good, but you do not need any product of your own. You do not have to create any product. If you do not want to, you can always find products and you can resell them. Okay, on clickbank.com. Okay, so this is the website, clickbank.com. Here you can go and sign up for free. It's very easy to sign up, and they accept people from all around the world. Okay, you do not have to worry. You just have to insert your country, your name, your last name, give your genuine phone number, because phone number or mobile number, give a genuine one, because Clickbank is gonna pay you for all the sales happening. Okay, so just fill out this form, and after that you just log into your account, and after you log in, you'll see all businesses out here. Okay, arts and entertainment. You can see this is the niche, and the inside it are the products. Okay, so these are the products that you need sales. Okay, you need sales for this product. Now it's very easy to get sales. Just keep watching this video. Okay, so I'm just going out here to see what's happening. Okay, it has extracted 1464 emails. We'll come back to it again, so let it continue to extract emails. Now you can see out here that there are lots of niches out here. Okay, so this niche means a topic or product. Okay, so actually not a product, niche means a category. Okay, so that means arts and entertainment is one niche, and you can see the sub niches out here according to the topic arts and entertainment. Okay, so you can see that this magic tricks, this is also a very popular niche where you get a lot of conversions, but again this do not have much products out here, but the one which I promote is this one, and I'm making a good amount of money using this, promoting this product. Okay, don't worry if they pay you just $2 on initial, but from the second month you'll start making a lot of money. Okay, but okay, the best thing is that let's go with the e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so e-business and e-marketing means that this is the make money online, this MMO niche. Okay, so everybody wants to make money, so there are lots of offers on ClickBank for the MMO niche. Okay, I highly recommend you to go. And if you do not have your own product, you may, if you have your, okay, I'll just tell you one thing, this is a very good tip. If you have skills, okay, in any field, maybe you are a good gardener, maybe you are a good let's say you are a good math teacher, or maybe you are a good a real estate agent, and you have tips on how to sell houses, you can make your own product. Okay, these are all digital products. That means just get in front of the camera and make a product. Okay, you can make your own product. If you make your own product, what happens is that you'll get 100% of the sales. Okay, so if you're promoting somebody else's product, right here you can see out here, let's go and sort it by gravity, you'll make commissions, but you won't make 100%. that means that initial dollar per conversion is 22.9, recurring income is 0. That means you are not earning recurring income out here. So let's go and, okay, so this one out here, initial dollar per conversion, you'll earn $21 per initial sale, and from second month you'll start earning $42. Okay, so just imagine if you just refer 100 people, you'll make $2,000 the first month, and from the second month you'll make 42 into 100, that is 4200. This will be the passive income. Okay, so let's say it's still 1464. Actually it updates after some time, and you have to leave this software open, and after like let's say after 5 to 10 minutes it will update and it will give you this new number. Okay, let this extractor keep running. So you know the first step. Okay, you go and find Instagram account first, or if you want to extract emails from Facebook. Okay, so from Facebook groups and fan pages also, you will also get targeted people, targeted email addresses. Okay, that means you can go to the beauty Facebook group. Okay, groups related to beauty, I mean. Okay, maybe, or groups related to make money online. Okay, so you just have to paste the link from Facebook, and you just have to extract those emails. Okay, on my previous videos I've extracted emails using Facebook. On this video I want to focus on Instagram, so that you know that this software, every thing works on this software. Okay, so when you get the software, you want everything to work here, right? So sometimes 1 or 2 days it may not work, because there'll be a new Facebook update or new Instagram update, and after a few hours the developer teams from this developer team from this software, they will just go and update it. Okay, that means they will update the software, and again the software will work flawlessly. Okay, so you can see that the numbers are rising from 14 to 17. So let this work again. So first step is you extract emails, whether you are extracting from Instagram, whether you are extracting from Facebook groups or Facebook fan page, it's the same thing. Okay, you extract emails in a particular niche. Okay, let's say make money online niche. So make money online niche is a general niche, everybody wants to make money, but again on Facebook or Instagram, so you can always find groups or Instagram pages related to make money online. Okay, you just have to go and search Instagram for just type in make money online, and you'll find lots and lots of Instagram accounts related to make money online. So you just paste the username out here. You can choose the country. I actually usually choose United States because lots of conversion happen out here, but today I wanted to choose Austria because I have a campaign related to Austria, so I want the email addresses. Okay, so first step is we extract email addresses of people in a particular niche. Okay, you do not have to go with the this niche. That means you do not have to go with make money online niche. There are lots and lots of niches out here. Okay, so you can see out here cooking niche, computer business, betting. You can see everything out here. Okay, so there are lots and lots of niche. Self-help niche is also awesome. You get tons of offers out here. So how do you promote? Okay, actually self-help niche is also you can go and promote to general audience because people want to people are interested in this type of niche. Okay, so you can see out here what freedom system. Okay, I'll just go with one offer. Let's say which one. Okay, guaranteed $15 per free flashlight you give away new. Yeah, you can. There are lots of niches out there, but today since I in the beginning I told you about make money online niche, I want to focus on the make money online niche. Just go below, try to find some good offers. Okay, so this one is a good offer. You can see you'll make initial income of 134.16 and again the rebill of $56. Okay, so this offer is awesome. Free traffic system. Okay, so this is not so targeted. Thumbnail insane. Passive profit. So let's see, they have a initial dollar conversion of 28 and a recurring of $2. It's so less. Okay. I'm still trying to find a good offer. Actually I know what I'm looking for because I've been promoting that offer a lot, but I'm not. Okay, this commission hero looks awesome. Okay, the ultimate three-step system to generate thousands of dollars every day in affiliate commission. Okay, this offer looks awesome. You can go and check out their pages out here, but you can see out here you have to apply here. Okay, that means if you click this promote button, you'll be asked to contact them, and you just have to tell them that you are promoting by YouTube or email marketing, and you'll get approved. Okay, so okay, this is the offer which I am looking for, because just look at this offer. Okay, average dollar per conversion, you'll make $705 per conversion. That means that the initial income you'll make $266 as soon as you get a sales, and from the second month you'll make $91.77. Okay, so the gravity is also good. You can see out here the gravity is 11.53. If the gravity is around more than 100, then there'll be lots of the conversions will be high, but there'll be lots of competition. So just go with this one. And okay, this one's good offer. Okay, so I'm sure I've talked about this on my previous videos because I love this offer a lot. Okay, so John Christian's product are awesome. They convert a lot. Okay, you just have to give your nickname out here. The nickname is the name that you will get when creating your ClickBank account. Okay, so you can choose any links out here, but I recommend you to just leave it as default because this will be the page that will get most conversions. Okay, so just click generate hop links. Okay, now after you click that, you will see this link out here. Remember this link, you just have to copy it. You can copy it like here, or you can just press this button out here. Okay, so the link will be copied. Now this will be the link that will get tracked back to you. That means every sales happening from this link, you'll make a commission. Okay, you'll make a commission of, you can see out here, $266.89, and from the second month you'll make $91.77 per person. Okay, so let's get back to this emails. You can see out here 1900 emails has been already extracted in a matter of 14 minutes. Okay, it's not even, actually it's not 14, it's more than 14. It's around, I think, 2-3 minutes I took extra before I went and clicked. It's 16 minutes, let's say 16 to 17 minutes. It extracted 1900 emails. Okay, so you just leave it for an hour, and you can easily extract 5k emails in an hour. Okay, so and these are all targeted emails. Remember, people are more active on Instagram than on Facebook nowadays. Okay, so you are extracting emails uh, from this account. Okay, so you step one, you extract emails. Step two, you go and find a product to promote to those email addresses. Step three is last but not the least. All you have to do is get a email sender software. Okay, so bulk email sender software. Now if you send emails from Gmail, they will block you after 500 emails. It's not recommended. If you just go and try from Gmail, your account may get shut down for sending emails. But when you're sending bulk emails, just go to this link below, and you can get a bulk email sender software. Okay, I'll give the link on the description of this video as well for the email extractor tool which I'm talking about. Make sure you get the pro edition of the software, and the form for the bulk email sender. Just go to the second link, which is again on the description, or I'll just put it on this screen out here. Okay, so just go to these two links you can see on the screen. Actually, I'll just put it out after I make this video. You will be able to see two links out here, and one will be the email extractor for the email extractor, and other will be for the bulk email sender. Okay, so now this bulk email sender is very awesome tool. You can just go and you can there are lots of templates out there. You just have to write small emails, and you can promote any product you like. Okay, so I will also be giving you cold email mastery course for free to everyone who gets this two software from the links below on the description, because cold email mastery is very important. Because again, you do not want to send emails that looks spammy. Okay, the cold email mastery course will teach you what kind of emails to send. Okay, it will show you the method to write short and sweet emails, and I just want to do this. Okay, it will teach you how to send cold emails without the emails going to the spam folder. Okay, you want your emails to reach the inbox of the people. You can see out here that this software has the spam checker, and it will warn you if your email looks spammy. Okay, it also has a tracker where you know that how many of your emails has been opened, read, and the links has been clicked. Everything will be tracked. Okay, and you can also add emails manually, or you can add emails from clipboard, from the sheets, etc. Okay, so from the sheets, I mean, is from what we'll download out here. Okay, so I'll show you how to download it in the end of this video. And okay, let's go back to this sender. You can see out here that this sender is awesome. Okay, but I want to give you this tip. Okay, just listen carefully. Always insert your unsubscribe link on the top of your email. Okay, you do not want to be act as a spammer. And if people unsubscribe, unsubscribe, sorry, I'm so much sorry about it. Actually, my throat's so empty, so dry actually. Sorry about it. I'm just drinking water. Anyway, let's get back to what I was telling. Please do not forget to insert the unsubscribe by email link on the top, and on your first email do not promote your affiliate link. Now, what is an affiliate link? Okay, let's see. Current okay, please download current result, and current result starts from there. Okay, so the software has asked us to download the emails and current process next URL 17. Okay, so you can just click this download button, and let's see. Okay, so it will download these emails, and you can again start extracting emails from where we left. Okay, so let's see. I'll just open it. Okay, and I'll show you that whether the software has extracted the emails or not. You are seeing this live. Okay, so you can see out here all these emails. Okay, you can see out here all these emails. I do not want to disclose everything but never mind, I'll just show it to you. Okay, maybe I'll blur it after some time if I do not want to give it for free. But yeah, actually I'm just worried about their privacy. Okay, so never mind. You can extract emails using this software. You can see that today I showed you live example of how to extract emails and how to use those emails. Okay, you can just click this stop button. Actually it's already stop. You can again click the extract button and it will continue extracting emails from here. Or you can also choose let's say another country. Okay, suppose you want to choose Australia or let's say Bahamas, and you can click the extract button and again it will start extracting emails. Okay, so today I showed you how to use this software to extract emails, how to find products to promote. If you do not have your own product, you can always use this product. And for those people who want to make their own product, suppose you have a skill and you want to make your own product, that means that you need to make your funnel. Okay, you need a website. Actually it's not a website, it's a funnel. It's a website, but a website and funnel are two different things. I'll make a different video if you do not know what a funnel is or what a website is. If you want to make your funnel, if you want to make your own product, I'll leave a link below for ClickFunnels, so that you can make your own funnels and you can also make a lot of money using making your own product. Okay, you'll make 2x money than what you are doing out here, because in this case you are getting a commission, you are making a certain commission. Okay, and if you make your own product, you are earning 100%. Okay, and for the lazy people who do not want to write emails, you just want to extract emails, and the emails will be already done for you. If you want a done for you email, I'm using a service from a person. I'll leave the link below. Done for you 70 email templates. Okay, there'll be 70 emails that will already be done for you, and all you have to do is just sequence it and send it to using this software. Okay, you can also schedule it out here. You can send, test, everything. Okay, this software is awesome, and this is the only software which will help newbies like you and me. Okay, I was a newbie once also, and I used the software, and the software works flawlessly. Remember that. Okay, so if you do not want to write your own emails, because sometimes cold emails, you may write spammy emails because you are new, just follow the cold email master course and that will be enough. And if you want done for you emails, 70 emails that will be returned. And I think they also have upgrade that will cost you another $17, and you'll have 200 emails. Okay, so if possible, you can just go and upgrade and get 200 emails done for your emails, and all you have to do is extract emails every single day. You can see that it will take some time. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for the first results to show up. So what you do is you extract emails using this software, and you find products or you make your own product. And last but not least, you just have to paste the emails, the 70 emails once, and you send those emails to the list of people which we just extracted. Okay, so which we just extract all these emails. Okay, so remember, if you just send, okay, I'll just give you an example out here. Let's say out here. Okay, so if you extract 5,000 emails in an hour. Okay, let's say you leave the software for at least 2 hours, and you extract 10k emails, and you send 10k emails again. Okay, so you extracted 10k emails and sent 10k emails. Out of 10k emails, let's say only 4k emails were opened. Okay, only 4k emails were opened, and only 2k emails were read. Now out of 2k emails, let's say only 500 people were interested in your offer. Okay, in your offer, and went to the landing page. That's the affiliate link which we this is the link. Okay, so if you do not know which the link I'm talking about, okay, so not this one. Let's say where is that offer? Okay, so okay, let's say, okay, I'll just generate this. This is the link I'm talking about. Okay, so if only out of this 500, if only 100 of them went and clicked that link, okay, out of 100, let's say if only it's very very low, but let's say if only 20 people bought your offer, if 20 people bought your offer when you sent 10k emails, let's do the math again. Okay, so John Castanis, you'll make 266.89. okay, so let's take out the calculator out here, and let's say, okay, 269 into 20, that means that you are already making $5,380 initially on your first month when you send just 10k emails. So let's say this is also too much, okay, 20 people won't buy, let's say just 2 people bought what you are promoting, okay, so let's say 2 into, oh, actually it's 266, okay, I wrote 269 then, okay, so you can see that you have made $500 by sending just 10k emails. That is a matter of 2 hours, okay. So remember, if you send 10k emails every single day for 30 days, that means 500 into 30. Now this is just hypothetical, this one, but you have to go and do it, okay. You have to take action. Only by taking action you will make this amount, okay. If you do not take action, if you do not extract emails, if you do not send emails, if you do not find products to send emails, if you do not make your own product, then it will be very very hard for you, okay. So this is the income, monthly income, and from the second month you'll make 91 into how many, let's say, okay, I'll just do the math again, okay, divide by 266, that means 60. So if you just get 60 people to join this program, then from the second month you'll start earning a passive income of $5k. That is passive, okay. So the more emails you send, the more money you make, okay. Remember, this is a method that has been tested and it's working flawlessly. So if you want, okay, you can see out here that 96 emails has been extracted by the software again. So you can see that this software works flawlessly. You can just go and check out the dates today. I'm just refreshing it so that you can see that this software is working flawlessly. The software works flawlessly. Step 1, extract emails. Step 2, find products to promote. Step 3, send emails, okay. You can also get it done for your emails and tell me once again, so that you know you do not have to work so much. You can also you can see out here all these features out here of this software. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this software, the best email extractor software. You can see it's live on your screen and it's working, okay. So please do not complain that this software do not work or blah blah blah, okay. Some days there may be a glitch, but the support team are always there to help you. You can see out here that if I click out here, they are always there to help you, okay. You can ask your questions, but sometimes they may not reply in 15 minutes or 1 hour, but you can always wait for 2 hours and 2 hours maximum, and they will give a reply, okay. You can see out here typically replies under 44 minutes, but just accept the fact that everyone is busy. Their support team also may be busy, so just go and contact them. If you have any issue, you can also email them, and they also have Facebook group where all the users are there to help you, okay. I'm just a promoter of this software, and I only help with marketing issues. If you have any the technical things, you have to go and ask to the software owner. In order to get the software, just go to x2wizard.com. In order to get the email sender software, go to a2wizard.com. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Now all you have to do is go and take action. Let's make money together. I'm also off because now I have to work on these emails, and this method is working. If you have patience, okay, you need to have patience. After sending emails, just wait for 2-3 days, send another email. So once that sequence of emails are being sent every day, in between, in maybe after two days, or maybe after 5 days, you will make sales. Okay, so remember that it's always possible to make money using this method. All you have to do is take action, and remember that after you learn how to make money, using this software, go and help others as well, because karma is a very very strong thing. If you help others, others will help you as well. If you make money, help others also, and you will make money also. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye. You can also see these emails out here, but not all the emails will be out here. Just after the extraction is over, you just have to click stop and click the download button. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye once again, bye bye.